In this turbocharged tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule and dispatch a job quickly. We're all about saving time here at eBoss for our users. So here we've got a job, it's been created, there's a client and a location hyperlinks there if you need to look at those. We've got job names, we've got a quoted price and the job details, and there's an internal notes section as well that'll only be for your company eyes only. It won't be populated on invoices, service reports, purchase orders and the like. So here we've got some travel, we've got some materials. I've just handwritten a PC board there, and we've already assigned it to a staff member. Keeping in mind you'll have a staff name here. I've just got staff there. All right, so I'm in the schedule, I'm in the drop down, I've got staff here up on a weekly view. Let's say you've got someone on the phone, they want to see you on Thursday at 8 AM. I'm just hitting left click and drag and drop. The projected time, let's say it's going to take 3 hours, or we're going to aim to do it in 3 hours, so we're going to block that out in the schedule. I've let the left click go. Let's do that again. Left click, 3 hours. We get the pop-up box here. I'm going to put job 248 and hit save. It's now been created in the schedule there. If I come back to the job and hit refresh, that little circle button up there, we can come down here and we can now see schedule to begin. We've got the date, the time and the finish. So when the staff member logs in, check in and also check out, their labour's automatically added. That also ties into our staff location, geolocation function that the office staff will be able to see. So if we come down here, we can generate the job sheet. I'll give you a quick look at what it looks like. Basically just creates a PDF. There's no financials or anything like that. So we can email the job sheet off to the staff member. We'll go to the PDF. We've got the job number there. There's the location, address and details. You've got items, materials, etc. for the staff member, and as well as the job description. If I come back here to the job, email's been sent to the staff member. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for your time.